Welcome to Mandy's Tutoring Services for Elementary Students educational video. Today we are going to learn an easy way to reduce fractions step by step. Our first problem is 4/10. We have to find two factors that when we multiply together will give us 4, and we have to find two factors that when we multiply together will give us 10. So let's try 2 times 2 as our factors for 4 and 5 times 2 for our factors for 10. So as we look at our numbers, we can see that we have 2 up here and we also have 2 down here. So we can reduce these two numbers. So we will say 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 2, 1. So now we're going to remain with 2 times 1 and 5 times 1. 5 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. So when we reduce 4/10, we're going to get 2/5. Our next problem is 50 over 100. We have to find two factors that when we multiply together will give us 50, and two factors that when we multiply together we'll get 100. So 25 times 2 will give us 50, and 25 times 4 will give us 100. So we can cancel out 25 and 25 because they are the same. So 25 into 25, 1. 25 into 25, 1. We will remain with 1 times 2 over 1 times 4. That's going to give us 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 4 is 4. But 2/4 is not its simplest, so we have to reduce it again. So what two numbers, when we multiply together, will give us 2? 2 times 1. What two numbers, factors, that when we multiply together will give us 4? 2 times 2. I see we have 2 up here and we have 2 down here, so we can cancel out. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 2, 1. So now we remain with 1 times 1 and 1 times 2. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So when we reduce 50 over 100, we're going to end up with 1/2 as our answer. Thank you for watching. Hope you found a new, easy way to reduce fractions step by step.